Hello guys, welcome to Easy Tech. So today is another great day. So I want to show you some work on mic issue on Itel A56. Okay, so what happened is that as you can see, the subboard is already bypassed by universal mic. Though it's working, but what happens is that the voltage is fluctuating. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. So that's what I actually want to do. So when I try to find out what caused the problem, so I find that let me unclip the battery. Okay, so I find that there was a problem with this top flex that connect the top board with the sub board. So let me show you the problem I detect. So you can see that the flex have one issue there. You can see this area. So that's why the voltage is fluctuating. So sometimes that mic voltage will come. Sometimes it will not come. So this is how I detect. I detect that everything is normal here. This subboard, everything is normal. Everything's normal here. Everything's normal here. So I now see that when I apply a force on this one, the voltage will come out and the mic will start working. So I'm now trying to inspect this flex. So this is what I detect. So I think there is a cut line in that flex. So we are going to run a jumper. We are going to bypass this line with a jumper wire. So now the normal voltage for in this Itel A56, the voltage for mic is 2.5. So I'm going to check that 2.5 on this top of this board. The components that they are close, you can see some components here which are close to the connector. You can see some resistor, something like that. You can see. So I'm going to test the one that have 2.5 here. So I'm going to run the jumper down here. So let's try to do that. So first let me test which one is responsible for mic voltage. Okay, let me on the phone. Oh, sorry. So now the phone is on now. So guys, what I want you to understand is that when you want to troubleshoot mic problem, so what you have to consider is that you have to put in mind is that you can troubleshoot a mic when phone is on. So you are going to find anything that is working with mic. For example, like sound record is working with mic. So, and also when you are calling, so the mic also work with that, but the easier one is sound record. So if you don't play any apps that work with mic, what actually is that the voltage will not activate. So for me to get the 2.5, I have to put the phone into the record, so to get which component is 2.5. Right, so now this is what I'm going to do. I will start recording. So now I have started recording the I've started the recording now. So now let me check for that footage. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is that I will start checking the component near the screen connector. So I will know the one that is applicable to mic point, mic voltage supplier. So I want to check the area. Okay, let me zoom it more. Okay, so now let me start. Remember that our phone is on record. Okay, so I'll put my DC, my multimeter to DC mode. So now I will check for that 2.5. Let me start from here. This is 1.8. This is 1.8. No. 1.8. No. Yes. This is my 2.5. Check on multimeter. This point, I think you guys can see this point. There are some 2 points. There is 1 point here. You can see this point. Yes, I have 2.5 here. So this way I'm going to place my jumper. So I will run it to mic line on the subboard. So let me do that. So I will off the phone. Let me off the phone. All right. Okay, so remember that if you do not on any apps that make a use of mic, that footage will not activate. Keep that in mind, guys. Okay, I hope you are learning, guys. If you are learning from this video, please subscribe to this channel. Okay. So now the phone is off. Let me remove the battery. Always keep in mind that whenever you want to work on board, always remove the supply. You know, our body also contain a charge, and you can mistakenly put any tools on the board and it can breach some components. You understand, guys? So you have to be careful on that. So now guys, after I run the jumper to the subboard, so now let's see the results. Let's see the results. So you can see as I was speaking, the weight is increasing. So that's just it guys. So that's how to jumper the mic in Itel A56. Also, you can use this knowledge for other phone. I hope you benefit guys. If you benefit from this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Alright, goodbye guys. Okay, sorry, I skipped some area that is supposed to expose to you. Sorry, I'm very sorry. So let me reverse to that area. Okay, so that's the area. Let me show you on microscope. Let me try to show you on microscope. Alright, let me try to show you on microscope. You know, before I make the jumper, so I know you guys will try to question that how did I know the area to connect the jumper wire on the subboard. I'm sorry to open that area for you. So how did I know? So the way I know is that you know the point that we detect, that is the one that is supplying the mic voltage to the board. This area where we pick our jumper here. So we are going to put one probe here. So we'll be testing anywhere in this area. So when you hear a beep, that's the connection. We'll be testing any point in this area. So when you hear a beep, that's the connection. So that's how I did it. So I'm sorry to when I'm making the record, so I pause, you know, sometimes I will pause. So when I see that the video won't long, so I hope you benefit. Alright, so see you later. Goodbye guys. Alright.